In this tutorial, we're seeing about installing plugins into our QCubed installation. Here's the main admin screen, and here is the plugin manager. In the plugin manager, if we click the online repository, we can see all plugins that are available to us from the QCubed website. This is the list of the currently available plugins and controls. As you can see, there are several available to you currently. What we're going to do here is we're going to take a look at the QPhone text box, and you can see from the description here is what it does is validate a phone number with the North American phone standard, and here is a demo link right to it. Click on the demo, it gives us an explanation of the control, and here is a phone number, an example of how it works. For our project, this looks like it will work perfectly for us, so we're going to install this plugin into our installation. Now back at the page, you'll see here that we have our download link. We're going to download. And the control of download is a zip file. In my case, I downloaded it to the desktop, and there's our zip file. So we're going to take this zip file and upload it into our local installation. So we're going to go back to our plugin manager and install the new plugin. Browse to the zip file we just downloaded. And there's our QPhone text box. And now we're going to upload it. Here's a description of the class file again, along with what version this will run on and the author. Now we're going to install this plugin, and here we are. It's going to tell us that it was successful and along with what files were installed into our installation. So click to continue. Now you'll see here that we have now a listing of the QPhone text box, and here is an example in our local examples of the QPhone text box. So clicking on it, we'll test it in our local installation. You'll see from the URL that we are looking at the examples from our local installation on the local host, and here is the same examples page which was included as part of this plugin, and here is a view of the files here. And if we look at our project here, you'll see under the assets plugins that here's our QPhone text box. There's the code for our example. We can use that code to look and figure out how to use this control, along with any JavaScript or anything that was in the plugin file. We also have under our includes the actual class file from this plugin. Under QCubed plugins, there's a QText box folder that was added, and there is the includes folder along with the actual class file that was included, that was installed. That's it. That's all there is to extending the framework and adding new Q controls to your installation.